Hello and welcome to softexpert. In today's video I'll be showing you how to create a job listing website using WordPress and Elementor. I already have a few videos about this topic in which we have covered different job board themes, but in those videos we created complete job board websites like freelance marketplaces like Fiverr and Upwork, where both employers and candidates can register themselves, and then employers can post jobs and candidates can apply for those jobs. But in this videos we will only focus on job listing, where only admin can post jobs and people can come up on this website and they can register and can apply for those jobs. So let's see how we can create such website where only admin can post jobs and people can apply for those jobs. And for creating such website we will be using the same Workscout theme that I have covered in my previous videos as well. The reason for choosing this theme is this is a complete job board WordPress theme, but it also allows us to disable the employer options here and also in the register here, and we can only register as candidate and can apply for the jobs. And on the other hand, only admin or the website owner will be able to post jobs. Now before creating the website, let me give you a quick look of the website that we will be creating in this video. And this is the theme homepage. Obviously there are multiple demos available that you can explore from going to these links, and this is for candidates, for employers and other pages. And as mentioned earlier, we will be only using candidates and they can apply for the jobs, so we will be removing employers, okay, and also we will remove it from register options here. We will only see register form and we will be able to register as candidate. So here we can display a logo or menu and then log in and register. And then this is the main section of the website where we have this find job as search bar, where we can search for job title, skill, or we can target a specific location. We can also click on this icon. This will detect our location. And we can also display different categories here. We can manage these categories in the locations and the skills in the dashboard that I'll show you later on. And we can also display advanced search that will be linked to our job page. Let's scroll down. Here we have popular categories for the jobs. Again, we can customize these categories. We can customize the links, text, and this number is showing the number of jobs under this category. Then we have the recent jobs. We have job types like full-time, freelance, internship, and so on. And we can apply for these jobs as well. We can click on any job and we can apply for it. Before that, let's complete the home page. Here we can display a section like this. Then we have testimonials. Then we have blog posts. This is the call to action. This is the footer. Again, we can change these logos, these links, and also this text. And let's scroll up and let me open up any of the jobs like this one. You can see this is the job detail page, where we have the job title and also the job description, and this is the job overview like the date posted, expiration, location, and so on. This is the job location, and if a user want to apply for this job, they can just apply it. So they can write their name, email, message, upload their CV, and can submit the application. And we also have all other pages like the job pages, the job alternative pages, resume pages, blog, contact, and also the job listing pages, and so on. And if I log in as candidate, I'll click on login. You can see this is for the candidate, okay, so I'll copy it. This is just a demo website, so we will just log into the candidate account, sending user info, login successful, and that's it. Now this is a candidate, so if I go here and I go to dashboard, so you can see a complete dashboard for the candidate where they can manage their messages, bookmarks, job alerts, manage resumes, add resume, and so on. I have covered these options in my previous videos. This video is only about the job posting by admin, and then we will see this dashboard or we will only apply for these jobs, okay? And now let me show you how we can get and set up this theme and then how we can customize it and how this theme work, okay? And to get the theme, just go to the first link in the description which will take you to this page. Here you can see Workscout and job board WordPress theme. You can learn more about this theme here on this page, and to buy it you can pay this price. This is one-time fee. Then you can use this theme for lifetime. Just add it to cart, then go to checkout and buy this theme. I have showed you this in my previous videos as well. I already have this one, as you can see here. I'll just go to my downloads page to show you the theme. And now to download this theme, just click on this download arrow and download installable WordPress files only, and also its license and purchase code, okay? You will need the purchase code to activate it on your domain, and then you can get its updates and so on. So make sure to download both these files. And once you download both the files, you will get files like this. This is the main theme and this is its purchase code. Now we just need to upload this to our WordPress. And now to create any website, the first thing you need is domain and hosting. And domain will be your website name, which will be unique. And after typing your URL, your domain name, people will land on your page. For example, if I open a new tab and I type softexpert.vk, This will take me to my website, and this is because this is my domain name and I have my website here. Another popular example of domain name are google.com, facebook.com, youtube.com, and so on. And hosting in simple words is an online storage where your website files will be stored, where you can manage your domain, your databases, file manager, your SSL certificates, you can create domain name emails, and you can also create subdomains, add-on domains, and so on. And there are multiple platforms that provide you domain and hosting. The one I would recommend is hostinger.com, and there is a discount link in the description. Once you go there, it will take you to this page, and here you can get a normal hosting or a WordPress hosting, as we are creating WordPress website, so that's why I'm on WordPress page. And the reason for suggesting this hosting is the pricing. Here you will get a free domain, free website migration, 24-hour support, and so on. And if you want to check the pricing plans, you can scroll down here, and you can see this is the premium one, business, and cloud startup. And here you can also notice the pricing. Here on the first plan you can host up to 100 websites, you will get this amount of storage, weekly backups, and so on. And on this plan you can also host 100 websites. This is better in speed. We have 200 GB of NVMe storage, a daily backup, free emails, unlimited SSL, and so on. You can check these features and you can select the plan that you need. And most cases this will be fine for you. You can just add this to cart, or if you need this one you can add this to cart. And it will take you to the cart page where you can see you are almost there, complete your order. And here you can see the summary of your plan. You can scroll down. You can buy this hosting for 1 month, 12, 24 or 48 months. So the more time you choose here, the more discount you will get. Here you can see you can save up to 432 USD. And you can scroll down. You can create a free account here, or you can sign up using your Facebook or Google. And then you can pay with credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, and so on. And you can see in just 143 you will get a free domain and this hosting for 4 years. Okay. One more thing is, if you are from Pakistan, the link in the description will take you to hostinger.pk, and you can again see the pricing in rupees, and you can add any to cart. And you can see the pricing is just 859 rupees, and it also includes 1 year free domain. This is for 4 years, which is a good deal. And the next thing is, you can also pay with EasyPay, JazzCash, and HBL from Pakistan. Also the Alpha wallet is there. So you can follow the link in the description and you can get a domain name and hosting. And after buying a domain and hosting, you will get a dashboard like this. This is the domain name, and this is my hosting plan. You can see business with hosting. Okay, and now let's see how we can install WordPress on our domain. If I visit this domain and there is nothing, you are all set to go. Now we just need to install WordPress here. Okay, let's go back, and to install WordPress you can go to website, and here you will see WordPress. If you don't see here, you can go to auto installer and you will find WordPress there. Just click on it, and here you can detect WordPress on your domain name. I know that there is no WordPress installed in this domain, so I can just click on install WordPress, and this will open up a pop-up where you can write your website title, for example, and here you can write admin email and username and password for your WordPress dashboard. Okay, and that's it. Just click next, and here you can choose the WordPress version. This is the latest one, which is fine. You can also select your website language. These are fine, and here you can select update to minor version and then click install, and that's it. This is how you can install WordPress on your domain. And now you will see a different dashboard. Here you can see now we can edit our website. We have this plugin installed, and we also have the WordPress latest version, the PHP version, and the daily backup is enabled. Now to go to your WordPress dashboard, you can just click on edit website, and this is the WordPress dashboard where we can install themes and plugins, and we can start creating the website. And now to upload the theme, just go to appearance, themes, add new theme, upload theme, and choose file, and I'll select that theme, open, and install now. And theme uploaded. Now we can go ahead and activate it. And once you activate the theme, this will open up the Workscout widget. Here you can set up the theme, so just click on let's go. The first thing is you will need to activate its license by entering your purchase code here. Okay, so let me just write my purchase code here. I'll open it, and this is the purchase code we need. I'll just copy it, we'll paste it here, and you can write your email address here and then click activate license. A license quota has been on. Okay, I think I have used this theme on my other domain, so let me quickly buy another license. We will go to this theme again, and I'll buy a new license. I'll add it to cart, then go to checkout, and here you can see the order summary, and you can pay for this theme using PayPal or Visa MasterCard. So let me pay for this theme, complete purchase, and that's it, payment complete. Now I can go to downloads page, and you can see another theme, so I'll just download it and we'll use its purchase code. Okay, so I'll use this one. Let's open it, and this is another key. So I'll write my purchase code here and we'll activate license. And that's it. Thank you for activating Workscout license. Now again, let's go. And you will get these two options. This is from WP Job Manager, the plugin that we are using for job listing. Okay, so make sure to choose this option because this will install all the required plugins for us. Let's go. And these are the plugins required. So let's scroll down and we will just click on continue to install and activate all these plugins. And this will start installing these plugins. So let's wait for it. And you can see all plugins have been activated. This will take you to the next step where you can see the content, like the demo content. If you want only to import specific pages, posts or jobs, you can select those options. But I would recommend you to select all these options to get the whole website, and then you can remove the content that you don't need. So I'll select all and then we'll click continue. And this will start importing the demo content. Again, this will take some time, so let's wait for it. And you can see the demo has been completed. This will take you to the next step where you can customize the website. So we will just click on continue here. And this is help and support, but let's agree to it. And that's it. Your website is now ready. You can go ahead and view your website. So let me visit my website. And you can see we got the whole website here on our domain. We have the logo, the navigation menu where all the required pages, and also the search bar, categories, jobs, and the images are blurred because these are copyrighted images. We will use our own images. These are the testimonials, blog posts, and footer. Obviously, we don't want to keep all these things. We will be using our own content, images, and jobs. So I'll show you how we can customize this website now. The first thing is, if you want to make changes to the header and footer and you want to change the logos and the website colors, you can just go to your dashboard. And if you see any pending updates, just click on update all. And this will update the plugins for you. We also need to run the WP Job Manager visit in order to get all the required pages. So for that, let's run the visit. And here we will start setup. And here are some required pages for the jobs. So here people can post a job, they can view the job dashboard and also the jobs. And as mentioned earlier, we are only making this website for the admin, so we don't need the posting job page. We also don't need job dashboard. We will just create this page, okay? And that's it. You are ready to start with WP Job Manager. Now let me show you how the theme works and how we can customize it. So the first thing is, let's see how we can customize the home page. So for that, I'll go to pages, and here you will see all the pages. Let's scroll down. This is our front page, which is the home one. If you want to keep any of these as your home pages, you can do it. You can view these pages and you can pick the one that you need. For now, let's edit this with Elementor just to show you how we can customize this website. And this will open up Elementor Page Builder where we can customize the website just by drag and drop. And this is Elementor Page Builder where we can start customizing the website. And the first thing is, if you want to change the background here, just click on here. And this is the image. So just click here. And here you can upload any image from your computer if you have. If you don't have one, you can go to stock photos. And here I'll choose business, and I can use any of these images. Let's use this one. I'll import it and we'll select it. And that's it. Now you can see the image background. And if you want to make changes to the search bar, you can go here. You can change this text to find job. You can change this text. And here you can customize the search form. Here you can see we are using keyword, then location, then category. You can click here and you can remove any of these. For example, if you don't want to show category, you can just remove it. Same goes for these categories. If you click here, you can see taxonomies from job categories that you can customize inside WordPress dashboard. If you want to exclude specific categories, you can do it here. And you can change the number of items, order by order, and so on. And I have covered these in my previous videos, so I am not going in much detail, okay? Just watch my previous video is about Workscout theme and you will be able to customize this website, okay? This was just to show you. So now let's click on update. And if I preview it, and here you can see we have changed this image. So this is how you can make changes to the front pages, and you can explore all these pages, you can edit them, and you can make changes. Now let's explore some of the theme options that are important. So let's go to dashboard and scroll down, and here you can see Workscout core. Just click on it, and as the name suggests, here you can do some core settings for the theme. Like you can change the website currency from US dollars to any of these. You can change the currency position, the decimal points, and you can enable and disable the private messaging to the job owner, and you can also enable and disable the contact to candidate, okay? So I'll disable both of them because I don't need them. And this is the preferred page builder, so you can use this theme for Elementor or WP Bakery based on your choice. And make sure to save changes after you change any item. And under map settings, and here you can automatically locate the user position, and for that you will need the Google Map API keys that you can put here, and you can do settings for the map here. The most important part of this video is registration. So here you can enable and disable the front page login that you see on the pop-up, okay? And this is the Ajax pop-up. You can use it, or you can have separate pages for the login and sign up. The pop-up is fine, so we will keep it. And if you want to show privacy and policy link on the registration form, you can just enable it. And you can also auto login user after registration, which is fine, so I'll just enable it. You can enable the reCAPTCHA, and you will need the reCAPTCHA keys for these. And then this is the most important one, hide role field and registration form. If you enable it, this will hide the user role from the registration form. Let me quickly show you. If I open this website in a private window, okay, I have enabled coming soon. So let me disable it. I'll disable the coming soon. Now if I reload, and this is how a user will see the website. So if I click on register, here you can see candidate and employer. If you don't want to use candidate or employer, you can disable the option there in the theme setting. Let me show you. So if I check this will hide the role field from registration form, okay? And after hiding the user role in the form, make sure to change the default user role in the general settings, okay? So for that, you can go to settings, general, and the first thing is make sure to enable this anyone can register, and then change the default role to candidate. That's it. Scroll down and click save changes, and that's it. And we can also do some additional settings, like we can hide the username field, we can display first name and last name, which is fine. And this is the password. So you can see on this form we don't have the password field, and this will send the password to the user email, but we don't want this. We want the user to set up their password, so I'll enable it. And these are the pages. So after registration, where you want to take the employer and the candidate. So as we don't want to use employer, I'll just choose pages for the candidate, which will be home page, and save settings. Now if I refresh, so this is how you can make this website only for the admin, and only admin will be able to post jobs that I will show you now. So this was how to customize this registration form. Let's close it. Let's go to dashboard again. Here you can do settings for the pages, for the emails, and also to activate your license, okay? Now let me show you how an admin or the website owner will add the jobs. So for that, we will go to job manager, job listings, and here you will find all the jobs. So you can add a new job, or you can edit any of these jobs. Let me edit this one. And this is the job title. We can change it. We can change the job description. And this is the job data, like posted by, location, company website, company name, and company tagline, and so on. And if you want to change the job category, the job region, or tags, you can just click here. You can choose any of the job categories, and here you can change the job tags. Job logo is this one. You can replace it by your own image. And at the end, just click on update to save your changes. Let's go back. And here we can change the job regions, like the locations. We can change the job categories, the types, the job tags that you are seeing here, like the type of the job, locations, and also the categories. And these are the job applications. So if someone submit an application for the form, you will find it over here. And same goes for the resumes. Here you will find the candidates that are registered on this website. If I go to all the resumes, these are the candidates that are registered on this website. We can just select all, and we can delete them, and then real people can register on this website. And the last thing is WooCommerce. So if I go here and I go to products, here you will see some plans like startup, company, and enterprise. And basically these are the pricing plans. If you want to charge people for posting jobs or to apply for a job, you can set up these plans. But as we are making this only for the admin, so admin can post job for free, and also candidates can apply for those jobs. I have discussed this in my previous videos as well. And that's it for this video. This was how you can create a job listing website using WordPress and Elementor. And if you want to learn more about WordPress and Elementor, just visit my channel. I have lots of videos about WordPress. And still, if there is any questions about this video, you can ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.